Hi, welcome back to my YouTube channel this week. Not a shave test today. I'm just demonstrating a real classic razor going from the 1950s for a listing on my Etsy site. So, goggles on so I can see what I'm doing. And yes, I know I need a shave, but I'm saving this for tomorrow. I'm shave testing another classic gold dollar, or as the Chinese say, gold dollar. Sorry. Anyway, here we are. I'll step out of the shot. This is a little bit on the tatty side, the box itself. However, this razor is unused, or it seems to be unused anyway. It's a real classic from the 1950s. Spare blade in the box, and a blade already inside there. It's got the original instructions. So I'll just open this up. It opens up from the back. There's a spare blade in there with the instructions. Unopened condition. And I'll just step out of the shot. Here is the this is designed to actually fit flat to your face. Really easy to use. And what I like is this extended tip handle. It reminds me of the really expensive Gillette toggle razor that usually sells for quite a few £100. So I think they pinched that idea, you know, for this design. But it's relatively easy to use. Well, in fact, it's easy, probably the easiest single edge razor you'll ever come across. This lever here, right? You just pull it back and the whole thing opens up to reveal the ever ready blade inside. And it's just got a little bit of Vaseline you can see on there just to protect it. You can see the bevel there. And it just simply slides out like that. And you can see the ever ready logo there. So it's genuine. This is one of the early models. And then there's two lugs. I'll put this down. There's a lug here, there, and there. There. And your blade just slides into there. He says. It's very difficult to do this. Looking at the camera and looking at the razor itself. But anyway, so there you have it. It slides in just like that, and just like that, and then you close it with a clip, with a strong. It's got a strong spring on it. You can hear it clicking. And that's quite secure. It's not going to go anywhere. And it lays flat to your face. Superb little razor. And dare I say it again, if I didn't have so many razors, I'd probably keep it for myself. But you can't keep everything. That's the original Ever Ready. Unopened. You can see the blade at the back. Still glued down. And the original instructions. Congratulations! You are now the owner of the finest shaving instrument in the world. The world as we know it. Okay, so thanks very much for watching, and tomorrow, given half the chance, I'll be shave testing the gold dollar. Gold dollar. This one's the monkey tail with a really aggressive spike point. So that should be quite interesting shave tomorrow. Thanks very much for watching today. Bye for now.